Hey guys, it's Chris, the Tiny House Guy, and I have another weekend update for you. And we have much more progress this weekend. As you can see as we peek through the window here at my beautiful pine siding. Let's go on in and see what we got. So I guess we'll start up in the front. First thing we see is we've got our mattress in here. This is a memory foam mattress that I bought on Amazon. Still kind of inflating itself, but appears to be, I slept on it a little bit, or I laid on it. It seems to be kind of good. See, we've got a couple of closets that we built up here in the front, and mostly, I'll be honest with you, I did that because I didn't feel like cutting all those boards to fit the corners. So I got one there, I got one there. I'm gonna put a net on the probably on the front of it, and I'll just use it to hold in like clothing and stuff like that. So you can see maybe a little better. I guess you can't. Maybe if I do it on this side, there you go. You can see that better. And I got a little compartment down there for junk, and there'll be a little sort of a. As soon as I put the face on this, there'll be sort of a nightstand area here for phones and whatnot. Added this little partition wall for I don't know what reason, but I did it. Let's see. So I got a little bit of trim installed. I kind of put some pieces of trim to cover up the seams here. What else did I do? Oh, these are kind of done. I haven't decided if I like them or not, but these come off and you can peek in there. Actually, this one is really done. So sort of and I got another one here. I gotta sand them down to lighten them up a little bit to get them so they fit in there a little nicer. But it's, I don't know. It seems like they work. I like that. So built-in storage. Great. What else did I do? I got some trim along there, some trim up in the corner. Got some trim up over there. Don't look too close to that because I didn't do that one very good. I got a couple pieces. I got a piece of trim that's got to go right in there. And probably another one there. This is actually going to be a sort of a place to sit, so it's going to have cushions on it, so I don't have to trim it out too well. Put in this board because I figured that the mattress is going to want to move around, so I figured I'd put a little lip there to sort of hold it in place. I got some wires hanging out of the ceiling. There's going to be some LED lights here. I have another LED light here. I might do another one somewhere over here. I don't quite know what I'm going to do for that yet because the lights I have for this aren't especially bright. I might try and find something a little brighter. At any rate, it's kind of done, or mostly done. Got to work on the kitchen, so the kitchen's going to go in here. I got to work on the air conditioner and the whole sort of power station mounting. The Blue Eddy, all my Blue Eddy stuff is in now, so I got a bunch of extruded aluminum channel that I'm going to stick in here. That'll make a nice box. This is the cord that comes from the outside. Right now I have an extension cord plugged into the outside of the camper. That'll all be integrated, probably with a switch, so I can switch between outside and inside power. So yeah, just in case anyone was wondering, this the berth here, I call it the berth because I sort of stole the idea from the Navy. If you look at I don't know, guys who spend time on Navy ships, they have 3 berths that are stacked up. There's one right down by the floor, like sort of down here, and there's one in the middle, and there's one on top. This height here is it's actually bigger than what you would find in the Navy. And the width is about the same, and the length is probably a little shorter because I'm short. I figured I didn't need a really long one. But anyway, that's it's not, you're not going to sit up in bed and read anything, but it's for sleeping. It's perfectly good. If you want to read, you'll sit there and you'll read. So anyway, that's what I got for this week. Another one next week. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.